ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today I am going solo over to Anna, Illinois. There's apparently a Schneider truck that is lost in a residential type of area, buried in the mud, truck and trailer, and he's got a partial load of, I think he said about 16,000 in the new Western Star number 18, and we're going to see what we can do to get him out. So here we go. Okay, so I am here. I see him back there, and judging by where he's at, I figured it'd be best to go ahead and start by backing in. But I had to back in off that highway right there, and thankfully there was a Illinois State Conservation agent that came out there, or was right behind me, and stopped traffic for me and helped me get in here, because unfortunately in Illinois we cannot use our red and blues. So anyways, I'm gonna get the hard hat mounted on my helmet real quick and finish backing up, and we'll see where we're at. Well,
yeah,
not as bad as I thought.
no, it does. I mean, it's not bad. From what I can tell, my front driver's side tire is stuck.
Okay.
You know, I tried taking it as deep as I could.
Yep.
So I got up into this little mud pile over here.
Okay.
So I dug that front tire in there pretty good.
So where were you trying to get to?
It tells me if I go straight down here, I can get out, but it looks like it's just a driveway down there.
Okay. Let me look here. So you were trying to get right down here into this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What I'm thinking would be best is just
Take it
back
right
you out
here.
right here and come straight back out.
Yep, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Because I can get back in here behind you even,
Yeah.
and just pull you straight over.
Okay.
Where's your weight at in this thing?
Whole thing.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's only 13,000.
Okay.
So nothing crazy.
Is it how high are you stacked?
Not too bad.
Okay. That was my only worry, is
Yeah.
how high it's sitting, because I don't want it to tip.
Yeah, I wouldn't have tried this with a full 40,000.
Yeah, I wouldn't either. You wouldn't have even got where you're at.
No.
But I'm not worried about it rolling really, because it's just going to slide on all that ice.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll kind of come, at least for the first pull, I'll get right up in here, scoot you back over,
Okay.
and then at least get you most of the way onto the gravel, and then we'll see where we're at from there. Because I could almost even kind of pull up in this driveway a little bit, and
She is very nice. She said we can use the driveway.
okay.
So.
Yeah, that's good, because I can, since I'm already backed in, swing up here, pull over here, and angle my back this way so I can come right through behind these mailboxes and get a good side pull on you.
Yeah.
Let's see. And from that, I mean, if you can't move on your own at that point, then I'll just kind of grab you right here and inch you forward until we get back up there to where you can.
Yeah, honestly, if you could inch me somewhere where I can get my nose. What I really don't want to do is I don't want to take out anything.
Yeah.
Right here.
Well, you'll have just enough room to swing it if you cut it right.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I would just hug this right here.
Yeah.
And you'll be okay getting out.
Yeah, it should be good.
But
because this seems to be the only road I'm going to be able to.
yeah. Yep, I would not trust going that other way. I don't know what's down there, and I don't care to know.
Yeah.
But I know it's not going to be as easy as this.
Yeah.
So let me look where I can grab on you, and we'll get out of here. You can frame chain right around there, and then just pull it straight out. These are steel wheels, otherwise I'd use a rim sling. But yeah, we'll get them out of here. I'd rather grab low. I can put a chain on that if I need to. But. All right, well, let me get into position and we'll get started.
Alrighty.
Get a couple pictures here. Oscars. Sorry, Oscar. I'm stealing your gloves. Those other ones are way too small. Thing's heavy. Come on.
Busy next couple days, aren't you?
Maybe. We'll see. I don't know if it's going to do quite what they're saying it will, but we've been busy anyways.
Yeah.
I'd rather be working in this kind of weather than 110. So if we're gonna be busy, I like it now than the summer. All right, all your brakes are set, right? Okay. And I think I'm recording, but I want to double check. Maybe? Yep, okay, we're good. There she comes. Slowly but surely. Trying to watch the nose up there too, because I don't want to run it into the end of the duals. Oh. There we go. And it stalled out. Oh yeah, it's coming down nice and easy. Plowing a little bit, but it's going. Yeah, it's just those branches catching on the fairing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's on the,
okay.
On the flap there.
Yep.
See, it just...
Okay.
I could probably get in there.
That's all she's gonna give. Well, you're down from the worst of it.
Yep.
It doesn't even look like it hurt it. Cool.
No.
I guess now let me scoot myself up a little bit, and then I'll grab onto you, give you a little tug, and we'll see if you can't move on your own at that point.
The only thing, yeah, if you give me a little tug out of that hole up front there, we should be good.
Yeah. I'm gonna say after that, you got it, man. I mean, I think I left you plenty of room to swing yourself around, and I'll stick around to help guide you out, whatever, and in case you start slipping again. Yeah, I really don't think going that way is a good idea.
No, I don't think so.
So it wouldn't be so bad now that you're straightened out, but
I don't know what that driveway up there looks like.
yeah. All right, let me unhook and we'll get you going.
All right.
Cable's not looking so pretty right there. Yep, there we go. Thing's falling down.
Go ahead and hop in, or
you can if you want. I'll say I'm gonna toss this stuff right here and just get this cable reeled back in, and like I said, just move over. Yeah, I wouldn't try anything yet. And do you have lockers on this truck?
yeah.
Okay, I guess you already tried that.
Yeah.
All right, just had to ask. But yeah, you can get in, start it up, whatever. Like I said, I'm just moving forward, so. I got my itself leveled out and had to come way up on this side. But we're making it work. And this one here, I think I'm just going to go single from the white straight down to the frame. See how that turns out. Still pretty loose. What's that?
What'd you need me to do?
Right now, just put it into neutral.
Okay.
I don't want you in gear. Just let me do the pulling.
Okay.
And then just kind of guide yourself out. Okay. Like I said, I think it'd be best to try to hug those mailboxes and come back where I'm at. But the reason I don't want you in gear is so if you do get going, I don't want to get my cables ran over and I don't want you to run into me.
Right.
But yeah, we'll just start out in neutral and
Release the brakes, right?
yeah. Yep, and if we need to, I can still scoot you some more. If that's the case, I might even be able to scoot you a little bit from where I'm at, just get you closer to those mailboxes.
Okay.
Just the tail of it, but we'll see how it looks. set your brakes. Or if you want, you may even be able to pull back forward a little straighter.
Okay.
And then if you think you could wiggle yourself out. Now that you're not stuck, I mean.
Yeah, I should be able to. We'll see what happens. Let me try to pull it straight real quick.
Okay. And I mean, worst come to worst, you can slide your tandems forward too. Get you a little more swing out of it. But let me get my cable out of the way real quick and we'll see what you can do. Hell, what you thinking?
I think I should be able to swing it, I think.
Okay.
Is that if I get over in that grass, it's pretty flat over there, right?
On the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be okay enough. Of course, we're dealing with people like that.
I know.
But the only thing over there is that little tether wire off the pole. But I'll watch you on that. If you can keep yourself off the mailboxes,
Yeah.
I'll get you on that other side. Yeah, let me just pull up out of the way real quick.
Okay.
See where we go.
Over here?
No, you wasn't spinning over here. You was over there though. Is your divider locked in?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. If I was you, I'd go ahead and pull up a little bit more and just get as close to that mailbox as you can. Because the way you're at right now, I don't think you're going to be able to swing it.
Yeah.
Not without getting yourself stuck over there. But yeah, just hug this line right here. As long as you don't get back in that hole, you'd be fine. Cut to the right just a hair. There you go. What's that?
Pull up more, you think that's enough?
I'd keep going just a little bit. But you can go back to the left some now. There you go. All right, now give her a shot. You sure you're locked in? Huh? What kind of lockers are they?
These yellow lockers.
Right here. Hmm. But it should have both sides spinning, but you only got one side going.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what the deal is with that, but yeah, I don't think that's even a drive. I think that's just grass. All right, I guess let me hook back onto you and try to pull you out. So thankfully we're in a lot better spot now, but all right, got him reconnected again. We'll see how this goes this time. First, I'm gonna try to slide him just a little bit. The school bus is going to have a fun time getting through here. Bring that thing over this way. Come on, bring it over. Bring it over. Try to bring it over. Set your trailer brakes for just a second. Release them. Release them. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. What I'm gonna do now, just pull forward and you'll clear the pole and the ground wire. So if you do run up on that grass over there, it'll be okay. It's nothing like it is over here. I mean, a little Toyota Corolla or whatever that was made it through earlier. But I'm gonna keep pulling you backwards, pull you back down this street, and I just want you to hug this side. But as soon as we can get your duals back up on that pavement, we'll call it good. It may take me a couple little bites, but I'll get it. I'm gonna try to hurry because there's a school bus sitting over there now. So. Here before I get too much tension on it. Ready? Ready for me to start pulling? You ready for me to start pulling? Okay. Might have to try straightening your truck out a little more, because I don't know how well you're going to climb that there. Well, yeah, go ahead and start cutting, because I mean you're clear over here. I'll stop you before we get too far, but and worst come to worst, I'll slide you just a little bit more so we can miss that pole if we need to. On the way out, that is. You're clear coming back, though. Oh, he's got it. We got it good now. let that dolly leg go. Just gonna have to deal with it for a second. And he's about into the duals. It'll come up. I think one more little bite and you're out of here. You're just this close. So go ahead and set them. I'm gonna take just a little bit more, one good pull, and the issue right now is you'd already be able to have yourself out, but your tires are just sliding. I know you're turning, you're trying, but it ain't working. Good little pull and let's get him out of here. If I'm recording. Yep, I am. Okay. What's that?
That's why it wasn't working.
What?
It fell off the fifth wheel.
What happened?
Oh no, it didn't fall off the fifth wheel. What am I, just over in there pretty deep?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I thought it fell off the fifth wheel.
No, no, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just the angle you're sitting at. This road slants real. No, you're fine. Do you think you can swing it from here, or do you want me to grab the back end and take you over or something?
Yeah, I don't know where the school bus is trying to get to.
They're gonna have to move. I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah, they're gonna have to go somewhere this way.
Well, I mean, they're gonna have to back up for now so you can get out.
Yeah.
But you come on this side and you tell me. Whenever you're swinging out of here, can you make it past that?
Yeah, I should be good to
Okay.
make it past that.
Okay. That was my only thing. I mean, you're clean and clear from now.
My main thing is what we're gonna do here.
Let me go talk to the school bus driver and see what their end game is here. Because worst come to worst, you'll just back up a little bit if they're going this way, but if they're going that way, I mean, I could probably get them to pull into this driveway right here for now.
Yeah.
Or at least over here somewhere. Well, you said that gravel drive.
That gravel drive's a 1/4 mile long.
Okay.
So you got plenty of backing room. It's wide enough to get, you know, one of those dually tractors through, so.
Cool.
Okay.
And is that just like straight back or where
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
straight back.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll go in first then, and then you just follow me in.
Sounds good. He said right there at that stop sign?
Yeah, he said that's just a big gravel drive that you ought to be able to squeeze right into. And I mean, you're good now if you want to go back, but I'll pull in first.
Okay.
And then that way I'll be out of your way and you can just follow me in. Follow my lights. Let me get unhooked from you first. bit. He stopped up here. I'm gonna come up here and stop with him. I whacked my mirror on a tree because that road was too narrow and had a school bus pushing me out of the way, so it is what it is. But I'm gonna come up here with him, make sure he's all right, grab the info, and I'm gonna get back home because I'm tired. So as always, thank you for watching, and God bless.